Hi there, how are you doing? Happy almost or Merry almost Christmas. It's Christmas Eve. I know that a lot of you have recently got a starter kit from Young Living or are planning to get one, and I just wanted to share really quick how this is your happy holiday kit. So let's open it up and talk about how this can support you, especially all those emotions from 2020. I know that it might not be the happiest of holidays or very challenging and hard because it's been a tricky year, right? Um, Many of us have lost people. We're not going to be with their family for Christmas, or, it's just going to be different, right? So let's take a look inside. And I'm going to talk about how each oil can support our emotions and make us have a happier holiday. So let's start with the royal oil, the Christmas oil. That's frankincense. Frankincense, I just love it. And it's part of the Christmas story. Look it up in Matthew. But frankincense just gives me a grounding and a peace. I love to put a drop on the crown of my head and I could smell it all day. It's so great for my skin too, but it also helps with mental clarity and focus and just gives a peace. We need peace that passes all understanding, right? Okay, the other one that supports all those emotions and gives you, there's actually a few choices here: positivity and an uplifting spirit, because sometimes we need that. And that's simply lemon essential oil, and one that's a blend of citrus oils is citrus fresh. These definitely uplift the mood and your soul and your house. I like to diffuse them or put them on topically, like on my wrists. That is the place for your emotions, or behind your ears. Sometimes I even make a spray with 10 drops of essential oil and water. Okay, the other amazing oil to uplift your spirits is Valor. And this one I wear as a perfume because it smells so sweet and delicious and uplifts my mood. It's a great day oil. So we need a peace on earth, right? So peace on earth, what is more fitting, because it actually does this, is peace and calming. This sweet oil, it's very uplifting with the citruses in it and blue tansy. It comes out a greenish color, but it smells so good. We love diffusing this before bed or anytime when we just need peace and calming in our house. Well, sometimes we need to embrace the challenges. And yeah, this year there's a lot to embrace. So again, Valor is the oil I reach for that. It also gives me confidence and I can feel love for my family and just gives me a positive outlook. Also calms me down. I also like to put this on before bed. And as I take deep breaths and go to sleep, it calms me down and lets me have sweet sleep. Let's talk about sleep. Do you want to have visions of sugar plums dancing in your heads? Just like the Christmas poem goes. Well, there are so many options to help you have a sweet, calming sleep. Number one, we've all heard of lavender, but lavender definitely calms you down, is great for sleeping. I like to put lavender in my diffuser before bed with several different options. But lavender, Valor, peace and calming. Frankincense is another choice, and one I haven't talked about, but stress away. These all are great choices to help you have sweet sleep with visions of sugar plums. Another one, sometimes at Christmas, it's so stressful and we just need to take time to relax and rest, especially in the meaning of Christmas, that it's Jesus's birthday and that we have the greatest gift of all, stress away. So this will take you away into like a vacation. You get away because it has a tropical scent with vanilla and lime in there. I love Stress Away. What I did with my Stress Away bottle was put the roller top right on, and then I just apply it freely and frequently to help with all the emotions. Okay, so there's a few other things. When I think about Christmas, I think about all the goodies that I eat and all the Christmas food. I think of gingerbread and sugar cookies and eggnog, apple cider, mulled wine, and hot buttered rum. Maybe tamales and caramels and peppermint bark, ham, and we treat ourselves so much. But sometimes we treat it's not a treat for our tummies and they get upset. So it's so cool in this holiday kit is that you have digest and peppermint, that these help our tummies in times of need. I put digest right directly on my abdomen and just rub it on. And I love drinking peppermint water because it soothes my tummy ache or indigestion. And you have fresh breath too. And talking about all those treats, who wants to make a peppermint hot chocolate or a peppermint mocha, peppermint brownies, peppermint fudge, the list goes on. You just need one drop of this in your cup or a few drops, like 5 for your peppermint brownie mix. It's so easy. So you want your hands on that. Well, 'tis the season, right? It's cold and flu season. Luckily, we've been wearing our masks a lot, and I know for us, we haven't had any sicknesses. But still, I feel like I've been run down with stress and maybe a little bit less sleep. Is that you? So no matter what, I use Thieves essential oil. I put it on topically. I diffuse it because it smells like Christmas, cinnamon and clove in here. And I love making an immunity tea. It tastes delicious. It's starting to get cooler, but you use Thieves, lemon, I'm finding them here, and peppermint all together with warm water and honey. And mix this up, make a pot. You could put several drops and serve it to your family every day, especially in the morning or before bed, to keep your immune system boosted so you won't catch anything, or you can get a lot better, a lot quicker. Well, around this time, it's like run, run, Rudolph. We're hurrying and we're doing so much. And we're trying to make it special even though maybe we're stuck at home a little bit here in California. I feel like I've been on the go. And I get to have tired and sore muscles, especially right here, my shoulders and neck. Any of you? So I reached for my Pan Away. This is also in the Happy Holidays kit, the starter kit that I'm talking about. This has wintergreen and peppermint, and it really relaxes my muscles and makes me feel wonderful. I also have been reaching for this so much because of all the too much tech time, and my neck is bent down and on the computer and cell phone, and so you need peppermint. You need Pan Away. Sorry about that. Peppermint helps too. Finally, we just need to take a deep breath to help us get through the holidays and finishing up to 2020. I take a deep breath with this lovely oil called Raven. It is a blend of several eucalyptus oils and peppermint in here and wintergreen. And I feel like I could breathe easier. Now, you might be feeling like you're getting some allergies even though it's not allergy season. I don't know about you. And we're going to be getting the Santa Ana winds. It just is a crazy weather. This is great to make a chest rub with some coconut oil right before bed or anytime and take deep breaths. I like to diffuse it too. So here you go. I hope you enjoy this and you got some help with all those emotions. Especially grab your frankincense and have a happy Christmas. I hope this is helpful. And if you don't have your kit yet, let me know. I actually even have a couple here. So if you live locally, I would love to hook up with you and drop it off at your house. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.